right here.
Where?
Right here. I got glasses on.
All right. Okay, you're here on a 2019 case for domestic battery, and I believe it's a show cause. Is her probation officer here? Miss Donovan, you were here there. Okay, how does she want to proceed, Mr. Patterson?
Judge, this is another case where I have never spoke to her about her show cause hearing, so that I am not prepared to proceed. I'm asking for continuance.
Ms. Bartnick, you were here June 8th, and Judge Rickey appointed Darren Patterson. Why didn't you contact him?
Darren Patterson, I called twice. What do you mean? I've already tried contacting him, and the girl who's supposed to call told me that he would get in contact with me. That's how I got this number for Zoom meetings.
We did send out the Zoom link, Judge. That is correct.
Okay, I'm
going to... As far as I know, he's court appointed, and so I don't pay for him. So unless I was paying to speak to him, I don't get to pay to speak to him.
No one is asking you to pay your court-appointed attorney just to talk to him. The taxpayers already cover that, which means you have zero excuse for not contacting him like the court ordered.
The taxpayers pay to pay him.
Well, all I know is that I don't pay to speak to him ahead of time. So whatever we're talking about right now, I'm kind of confused as well.
Well, I'm hopefully confused about what you're saying. It's making no sense to me.
I guess so.
Okay, I'm going to continue this for 2 weeks.
And why are we continuing it? How long is
Because you haven't talked to your attorney, and if you don't want it continued, I'll just have the hearing right now, and you won't have the benefit of your attorney representing you.
Huh.
Yeah. Probation is a privilege. You don't have to have probation. We can revoke it right now, and you can go serve your sentence if you like.
I mean, that's fine, but...
Hold on. Are you actually saying you're fine with having your probation revoked today and deal with all of this right now? Terrible idea. Because the same judge you're being rude to is the one who will decide how much jail time you'll get.
What?
It's fine that it's fine that you're revoked?
No, I think you're trying to switch my words around on me, and that's not applicable right now. No, I've already told you what I wanted to do. You're switching my words around. I'm not okay with this.
Judge, if the court is setting it over 2 weeks, I can fit her in for an appointment before that time.
Has she seen you, Miss Donovan, since she was ordered to by Judge Rickey on June 8th?
Your Honor, she is reported by phone since she was released from jail.
Have you asked her to come in any more than that?
I have not, Your Honor, because she does reside in Newton.
Okay. All right. This is not up for discussion. This is a 2019 CR case, criminal case.
You know what I mean?
Okay, ma'am. You're being disrespectful to the court who is going to decide your fate.
Go ahead. Do what you feel you need to do.
Please calm down.
No, because I think...
When you're the judge and not the defendant on probation, you can criticize whoever you want. Until then, Karen, maybe keep quiet before you go from probation to an actual jail cell.
Just let her speak.
And I am. So you be quiet.
Just calm down.
Not serious enough for me to take judgment calls for no reason.
How old are you?
I'm 32, actually. And you?
And who is that person you're talking to?
It is my boyfriend.
Wow.
Bartnock, here. I'm going to order that you be here in the courthouse in 2 weeks.
Now I gotta make it today.
2
Are you
weeks.
gonna pay for my ride? I don't have transportation.
2 weeks from today, you must be in the Butler County Courthouse, 201 West Pine, El Dorado.
Okay, well, I'm sure somebody will be calling on my behalf then. That's fine.
No,
I don't know if
you will be there, or I will
remember.
send the sheriff out to get you.
Right, so I'm gonna be sitting in jail for another week on account of sitting around waiting to talk to you? I don't think so. I think y'all are dirty. I'm not gonna go sit in a freaking courtroom or in a jail system just so I can speak to you for another freaking week when it could already be settled right now.
All right.
So settle it right now. I'm not gonna deal with this.
Okay.
I think this is childish in all kinds of fucking ways. No, I need you to shut.
The only person who needs to stop talking here, Karen, is you. You're the one on trial. And the only thing helping or sinking your case is that mouth you can't seem to keep shut long enough to stay out of jail.
What is your mental health diagnosis, Miss Bartnick?
My mental health diagnosis is bitch made, and I'm a fucking ADHD bitch. And I'm not gonna sit here and let some other people who are insensitive make insensitive choices about my fucking life. As if you fucking get to do everything you want to do. You got a car? You got a house? You get to fucking pay your bills? You want to come at me like I can do all that? Please, then you better start giving me some fucking money for all this bullshit.
Are you
stuff.
taking the medication?
Injustice and unjustifiable.
Miss Bartnick, are you taking the medication prescribed to you?
Nope, because they keep putting me on fucking Down syndrome medication like I'm retarded.
Citation needed, Karen. And before you go diagnosing yourself with things you don't understand, maybe focus on a behavior that actually is causing problems today. In my professionally unprofessional opinion, a little time in jail might be the only treatment that teaches you a lesson and wipes that permanently irritated expression off your face.
Going to order that you be in the Butler County Courthouse this afternoon.
Oh, you gonna pay for my ride?
She doesn't have transportation.
I don't have transportation.
Okay.
She just got her life in order.
Yeah, my life is in order.
Make a good decision.
Right, until I talk to you and you want to say I didn't talk to my lawyer. That's bullcrap.
I'm issuing a bench warrant, no bond hold.
She needs counsel. She needs to speak to her attorney. Her attorney needs to be speaking for her.
Yeah, why didn't anybody call me?
Bench warrant.
Ooh, I got a warrant all of a sudden.
Probation is revoked.
What do you mean, why? Maybe because neither you nor your Karen counterpart can keep quiet. And your behavior today puts you in direct contempt of court. Remember, probation is a privilege, not a right. Might be a good idea for both of you to learn that ASAP.
Yeah.
To be back here at the Butler County Courthouse in El Dorado 2 weeks from today at 9 a.m.
Okay, I mean, that depends on transportation right now. And I've been told that this is prison for me, so I'm not for sure as far as if I'm supposed to even be leaving.
Okay.
So unless someone else notifies me that it's wrong for me to leave, I'm staying here. I have other courts here.
Is anyone really surprised she's on house arrest for other charges? And don't worry, Karen. The court has complimentary transportation for people who choose not to show up on their own.
If you are not here, I can issue and will issue a warrant for your arrest, and I will send a police officer to provide you transportation to Butler County.
I just don't see why I need to go there when we can concur everything right here.
I think we can all agree that concur is absolutely not the word you were reaching for. And keeping you out on the streets is starting to look like a worse idea by the minute.
That's what I don't understand. Do you have a specific reason why I need to be in El Dorado?
That is my order.
It just doesn't seem legit. It doesn't seem like a promising reason for me to be there. When I have everything, I lost a job because you all wanted to put a warrant on out for arrest on me. I can't even pay my fines because you won't give me a chance to. And now you want me to go to Butler? That just doesn't seem promising. I mean, all of this seems like a lie, like just some reason to get me caught up in something. It's just not, I'm sorry, it's just not, I do not see it happening. I don't have a ride. Unless you can find one, and I'm not sitting in jail for a week.
Based on your own behavior, you're practically requesting more than a week behind bars, Karen. And like I said, if you don't show up for court, that's your choice. They'll just issue a bench warrant, which is the court's fancy way of giving you a free ride straight to jail. Nope, pit stops. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. The judge ordered her back in a week, but honestly, I'm not convinced she's going to make it. What do you think?